summer special virgin mojito and jaljeera. So first we will make virgin mojito. For this we need a crystal glass, and now we will squeeze one lemon in it. So let's put squeeze lemon inside the lemon juice in it. Now add 5 to 6 mint leaves inside the glass. With soda. Fill the glass with soda. If you want mojito to be little bit sweet, you can add half teaspoon of sugar. Now add straw in it. And for decoration, I am taking one slice of lemon and I will put it in the glass. Now your mojito is ready.